Start by positioning your main image on the canvas. We are going to transform this single photo into a complete video commercial. First, to integrate a product, select the image and click the Edit button. Type a prompt describing exactly how the object should appear, like placing a protein container naturally in her hand. Once that is processed, use the Edit tool again on the result. This time, instruct the AI to swap the studio background for a realistic gym environment while keeping the subject consistent. Now, let's animate the first scene. With the image selected, click the purple Video button. In the description box, define the camera movement, such as a slow push-in or orbit. You can also add a voiceover script directly here. Type your dialogue, ensure the audio toggle is on, and click Generate to create the first clip. Repeat the process for your second scene. Select the gym image, click Video, and input your next set of camera directions. Add the second part of your script to the dialog box. For example, stronger every day. This allows you to build a cohesive narrative across multiple clips. Click Generate and wait for the AI to render the motion. Once you have your two video segments ready, it's time to sequence them. Hold the Shift key to select both clips on the canvas. A new option will appear. Click Order and Combine Videos to merge them into a single timeline. The system will now process the transition and stitching of the videos. You can preview the combined sequence immediately to ensure the flow is correct. Notice how the voiceovers from the previous steps have been automatically arranged in order. To add the finishing touches, click the Edit Video button. In the Music tab, describe the vibe you want, like upbeat electronic, and generate a royalty-free track. Then, simply toggle the Enable Subtitles switch to auto-caption your voiceover. Finally, click Render Final Video. Download your project, and you now have a complete professional commercial created entirely from static photos using AI.